It's your brother Deacon in the building here to tell you to fix your face and happy Passover from IUIC Believe.
Happy Passover
Hey, Shalom Israel. This is Deacon. We in Toronto, Canada. We in this building.
Happy Passover!
Shalom Israel, Most High God's blessed. I'm Deacon Malachi.
Happy Passover from Nairobi, Kenya!
Shalom Israel, soy Diácono Josué y queremos decir Feliz Pascua desde IUIC, Puerto Rico.
¡Feliz Pascua!
Happy Passover!
I'm Captain Matthew.
I'm Captain OC.
Happy Passover from Sierra!
I'm Captain Shem.
I'm Captain Soraya.
I'm Captain Shafal.
Happy Passover!
Blessed Captain Paulo here, and listen, we in IUIC, Midland, UK, and happy birthday.
I'm Captain Kimmy Well. I'm Captain Matthew. I'm I'm Captain Ariel. Captain Ariel.
Shalom! Happy Passover from Lagos, Nigeria!
Happy Passover from Uganda.
Happy Passover! Happy Passover from IUIC Malawi!
Hey, I'm Captain Zakar. Happy Passover from Happy Passover from
Happy Passover from Johannesburg, South Africa!
This is Captain Lemuel. Happy
Shalom, Captain Aruma. Shalom, Officer Carmela.
Shalom, Officer Hezekiah.
Happy Passover!